Yeah, warm good evening class. In the last video we have seen about the projection of line, and in the previous video we have seen about the projection of point. So when we comes into the picture, the projection of line that too in a straight line. When engineering drawing comes into the picture, we'll see only the straight line. Sometimes we are going to see the inclined straight lines. Okay. So here it is given as the line AB of 90 ohm long. It's inclined at 30 due to HP and parallel to EP. So once we are going to see here, it is okay. We will see the line is inclined, it's straight like this, and we can see it's straight, and now we are going to incline it. Okay, once the incline is going to happen, you can see the line angle comes into the picture. Other than from the given line, okay. This is the if you take a projector length from the front view, if you see from the front view, see this is the front view as I draw the arrow mark. So the line is projected here, okay, with some angle, right, with some angle. And then if you see from the top view, there will be a line, but on the shorter length, not the length of the original line. Okay, that is the top view. Okay, so you can see here the line is perpendicular. The line is it's with angle to HP, so it is projected. When you see from the top view, the line seems to be parallel to VP. Okay, so you can see that here in the question it is given that the lower end is 30 mm above HP and the upper end is in front of 50 mm in front of VP. So here sometimes if the angle is not given, you can use this lower and higher end distances in order to draw the inclined line. Okay. So the next thing is that the apparent inclinations and apparent lengths. So what is this apparent and apparent inclinations? Nothing but see, if you draw a line like this, okay, when you see from the top, you can see the top view of the line, but not as the original length, in a shortened length. Okay, this is the shortened length. Okay, when you see from the the other way, okay, when you have a line which is inclined to VP, okay, if you saw from the top view, you can see the original length, but if you saw from the front view, we have a shortened length as like this. So this shortened length are nothing but the apparent lengths and the apparent lengths, and the line which have some angle between the reference line is known as the apparent inclination. So this apparent line and the apparent lengths and the apparent inclinations helps to see the inclined line at the different views from the front view and top view. Okay, so here you can see this is, if you draw, this is the front view and this is the top view. This front view and top views are nothing but the line inclined at the line inclinations, right? So here here for example, if you draw here, okay, the line inclined to HP and VP, if you with some questions on the angles, you can see here the line is drawn here, and the this lines up top view is seen here. Okay, this requires the top view. At the same way, here you can see the front view length. So this front view and top view length are nothing but the apparent lengths. Okay, so this apparent length helps us to, as I already said, helps us to view the front and top view of the line, okay, on inclined manner. Okay, so at par with that, I have to include one more thing in that here, that is see this angles. Okay, the angles with the as I already said, this is the angles that happens with the this apparent angles have with the reference line. So this alpha and beta, okay, are the apparent lengths. At the same way, theta and phi will be the angles for the two lengths. Okay, once we know this angles, it can be easily, you can find this alpha and beta, and you can say in this there is a small loophole, is that when you draw this apparent lengths, as I already said, A dash, B dash and A and B, this starting point are on the same line and this ending point are also in the same line. Okay, once you draw this projection of lines both inclined to HP and VP in this manner, you can see that these 2 points can be seen, can be seen in a straight line as you see in the A dash and A in a straight line, B dash and B in the straight line. So once you draw this in this manner, the question is wrong. So the question is right. So this loophole also helps to draw some difficult questions. With this loophole, we can easily draw the entire projection of lines. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.